Tuturu. What are you talking? Today is the start of another yapin session. Kaya umulat pero uminit. Tangina! Ay, nako. Po. Yo! So, well, today is Monday evening. Nothing so far happened today. Besides me doing like a errand run, like buying stuff for grocery shit and ganon. Yeah, to be honest, I'm really tempted to do a very discursive yapping session about uh, the LGBT community's branding so far. Yeah, it's Pride Month, June, Gay Month, yay. Like, wala akong bilet mo ta. Yeah. Maybe I'll just keep it short. Simple as that. Ang problema kasi sa mga LGBTQ, like the modern one, is that parang masyadong sex-oriented. Like, sex, intercourse, shit kinks you do on your bed, in the bed, or somewhere private. Parang yan yung naging pinaka flamboyant face ng LGBT, like of the gays right now, ng mga bading. Yeah, if I had the decision to not post this, no? I should really like write the things I say, pero be honest na nga, I really don't wanna like make a research-based shit or like write out my fucking thoughts and read like a monotonous robot shit. Like, ewan ba? Tangina, gusto ko dadalawin yung commentary channel Gym is the best place. Because they have this fucking banner. It says nobody cares, work harder. In other words, yeah, I know it sounds fucking bad, but it's kinda true. Work on yourself. Like, the only one that cares is you. It cares the most. Cares the most. Like, as in the end, ikaw yung down. Okay. Because when you work out for yourself, or work out for yourself, like that I'm working out beyond the gym, like it's you versus you versus now versus you versus tapas. You versus your limits, your mental limits and all that crap. Both physical, mental, and I block my fuck camera. Mental, physical, psychological. I think I'm being fucking redundant and shit. But overall, it's you. In the path of improvement, you're fighting you. At most. Yeah, there's also like external factors, but it's mostly you. It's mostly how you perceive that shit. Okay, ayun, hindi nahulog yung cellphone ko. Pakita yung nahulog. Putang ina, pagsisihan ko to. Okay, I'm gonna elaborate this more. That... Okay, where am I? Okay. That in life, in the road, or in the... Takina, your road. Ay, putang ina! Well then... Sabang moment, tapi yung puta yung... In life, it's mostly you. You versus you. You versus society. You versus some motherfucker sa tondo. Ano yung sinabi yun? Dito ko rainbow dito. Okay. Body. This is not the second time that I went here. I was not planning to go here, but then wait. Okay, this weather is kind of spooky, I guess. Hello. Yeah. Just got back from the gym. Freshen up a bit. Take a bath. Yeah. Today is Friday, and we always got nothing. Extraordinary happened. Just me waiting for the afternoon, like 2 to 3, then gym. Yeah, I should really do something more, like go out and stuff. Go out beyond the gym, maybe. I've also been baking, like, yeah, I able to master the art of the pita bread. I just need to do more kneading in order to make a proper gluten structure. Putang ina mo, sabihin ko sa'yo, ang tinapay may gluten! Natural yun, tang ina gluten free bread, what the fuck is that? Ayan, gluten free bread. It's like non-kneaded bread. But in the end, gluten is there in bread. Fucking hell. Shit, I think I yap something. But, iwan tayo muna, chicks. Yeah. What's going on? I think, during the weekends, I might try roading. Or doing my road workouts as a aspiring boxer or someone with delusions of being a boxer. Boxer. That I need to prioritize my cardio. Punching power kinda nice, and also my fists are at my knuckles are now discolored. Therefore, I need to prioritize more of my cardiovascular endurance. Should I do an errand run tomorrow? Like buy some protein stuff? Cause I'm really contemplating if I should take the processed food pill again. Cause it's convenient, but inconvenient. Inconvenience. Convenient for the cook, inconvenient for my health. Yeah, but going on, I think I might try to do a rooming scene for tomorrow and yesterday. Or maybe snippets. Mostly snippets. Because I don't want to be looking at fucking dumbass recording, for example, like, fucking hell, 1 round, 2 red kill, di ko lang puta na. Pagay. Ano ba ito? Chili sauce. Just waiting for my order. Kita mo nga design. Chili sauce. Ano to? Pepper. My food arrived. But I was able to record the gravy part, like when it was a gravy part. Damn, this looks weird. I hope this will satiate my cravings in order for me to avoid doing stupid purchases today. Ain't it nice? The fucking weather, no? It's a good day for our road. It's too fucking good not to lie. That it might fucking rain. I could run in the rain. The problem is, I don't wanna wash shoes this moment. You know how fucking hectic is to wash and dry shoes and socks. That socks is easy to dry, but it's the part of removing wet socks. That's wetty socks. Wet socks. Na-tricycle, no? Ayan. So, Mayroon. Well, patapos ako doon, I kinda forgot the concept of recording and shit. Yeah. Ito na. Yeah. I am now near the end of my room. I had to stop because look at the weather. It's so dark. Ah, what a nice beautiful view. Pero putang ina, yung autistic kong utak ay natawa dito. Condom. Kumakan ko kayo. Kapit ba? Baka may tamon doon.